Hi everybody, welcome to our page, Montana's Lost Art. I'm Jessica and today I'm going to be making a mold for a dragon egg that a customer ordered over the internet. Here I'm just mixing the epoxy that I've already measured out prior to starting the video just for convenience purposes. As you can see on the temperature gauge, it's dreadfully hot in this room. This is our finishing shop. It's made just for doing polyurethane coating, epoxy coating, basically any finishing touches that we want to apply to our products we do in this shop. I actually had to go outside for a moment because it was so dreadfully hot. Here we'll begin mixing the colors. The deep rose red was the color that our customer chose. And the other colors that we'll begin to mix, I actually just use for accent colors. So here's a transparent rose red. Here's our silver white. In this cup, I'm going to be mixing the deep rose red with Smokey Grey. And then here we'll have some super glitter. This project was so much fun. Yeah, I had some company visit me during the pour, so I'm sorry guys, I wasn't able to show that on the video. But here I'm closing the pressure pot up and I'm getting ready to hook it up to the hose and the compressor. And I will get the gauge up to 40 psi. When we make molds, we like to use a pressure pot. If you have the ability or the access to use one, you definitely should because it helps eliminate the bubbles. During this process, I like to tighten all the bolts down as much as possible and then I go over it one more time due to the fact that in the past I've had lots of experiences where it leaks. It's so sad. You end up having to drain all of the air inside the pot. You have to take the bolts back off and do the whole process all over again and hope that it doesn't leak the next time. So just from experience, please, please, please do not forget to tighten the bolts down enough. You will thank yourself later. And here we have it. Tons of glitter, lots of swirls. I love the way it turned out. What do you guys think? Well, thanks for watching. Can't wait to throw this on the lathe. See you guys later.